Greetings and welcome to my new calculus channel. My name is John Gabriel. So, why can you not divide by zero? What do your chump mathematics professors and teachers tell you? They tell you it's undefined, right? Well, of course it's undefined, you perfectly stupid morons. Let me explain to you why it's undefined. Because if you say p divided by q, like that, it's not p divided by q, it's actually a number p divided by q. This comes from p divided by q. What this means, is that q measures p as a unit. Q, and or equal parts of q. Okay, equal parts of q. Let me give you an example. So let's say you've got 9 divided by 2, right? This means 2 measures 9. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 measures 9 4 times, right? Plus 1 part of 2, one of 2 equal parts, okay? Plus 1, right? Because 2 is divided into 1 plus 1. Get it, idiots? Now, try to do this with 0. Let's just make some space here. Let's get rid of this now. Let's make some space here. Try to do it with 0, okay? So let's say anything divided by 0. P divided by 0. How are you going to measure P with 0 as the unit? You stupid imbeciles. Not all of you, those who oppose me. I'm only berating those complete baboons who think they know better than me. You cannot measure P using 0, and the reason is that it's not a number. Stupid. Let me explain to you why. Now, first of all, before I do that, look at what comes out of the fruits of ignorance. This baboon here, whoever he is, Alan Porter, has written an article on the multiplicative inverse of 0. Okay. Honestly, I mean, a shitload of articles have been written on 0, infinity, infinitesimals, and whatnot. They're all garbage because mainstream mathematics academics do not understand the concept of number. Okay, idiots like that Terence Tao and his partner who wrote about the green Tau theorem, whatever it is, an unremarkable theorem entirely. But if you really want to understand mathematics, you need to understand the concept of number, and you can only do it once you understand what is a number. Now, where did numbers come from? Where did numbers come from? Okay, let's see. Where did numbers come from? So, numbers originate from geometry, and I've written an article here for you. It's called Gabriel Arithmetic Without Numbers, a method based on Thales proportionality theorem. Read this article. It will tell you how you got all the arithmetic operations, okay? How do I know? Because I'm a genius. And why don't you know? Because you're morons. It's as simple as that, okay? So read this article, and if you have any questions on this article, I invite you to ask on my comment section. I'm not interested in your ideas. Hold on to your 2 cents. None of you have anything to tell me. I tell you, you don't tell me anything because you don't have my knowledge. So if you have a question, ask it in the comment section and I'll answer it. And by the way, I don't want long rants because I have eye issues. So if you have a long rant like that idiot who wrote on my YouTube about a day or two ago, I'll just delete it and I'll also block you. So you don't want to be blocked. You want to have access to the greatest mathematician, don't you? So read this article, which is about Gabriel arithmetic without numbers, to see how you got numbers, to see how you got the operations of arithmetic from geometry. That's why you cannot divide by 0, because 0 is not a magnitude. It's not a number. And number comes from ratio and measure. I hope that clears this whole confusion up, and that your teachers will learn to tell you the right reason why you cannot divide by 0, because 0 is not a number. In fact, you cannot do anything by 0. You can't multiply by 0, you can't divide, you can't add, and you can't subtract 0, because 0 is not a number. When you think you're multiplying by 0 and adding and subtracting, Those are all fake operations. Nothing happens there. Okay. They're not real arithmetic operations, because the real arithmetic operations come to you from geometry. I'm John Gable. This is New Calculus Channel. Goodbye.